So good morning to all of you. On behalf of HEPO India, let me warmly welcome you all for this webinar session. Most of you know me, but for the benefit of all, let me introduce myself. I am Prashant Khandelwal and I am driving the business operations of HEPO India. Before we start, I wish and hope that you and your family members are safe and healthy during these times. You must be pondering what is the reason of organizing such a webinar. Let me share with you that primarily there has been two reasons for organizing such a seminar. Firstly, as you all are aware that we are passing through these unprecedented times and are in the state of lockdown for more than a month now. And so there is a lot of uncertainty, doubts, anxiety, fear in the minds of our trade partners as to what is in store for them in future and what would be the impact of COVID-19 on their businesses and also for the industry at large. And secondly, also in terms of how HEPO India foresee its future and what are the opportunities for our trade partners so that they can benefit in the entire process. So in order to address all such concerns, we had organized this webinar. So let me share with you the broad agenda. So we will be bifurcating this webinar in two sessions. That is part A. You will get the industry view, wherein we'll be talking about the emerging trends in customer buying behavior and the impact of COVID-19 on home improvement space. And secondly, to get better insights about HEPO and its future, and followed by a Q&A. So let me share with you that today we have with us stalwarts from furniture industry, and let me take this opportunity to introduce them. Mr. Zurvin Marolia, who is Senior Vice President and Head of Product Supply in Godrej Interior. Mr. Marolia oversees the entire manufacturing as well as distribution operations of Godrej Interior plants located right from Uttarakhand up to down south, which is Tamil Nadu. He has also spearheaded the development of a robust supply chain, which has helped Godrej to reach its ambitious growth plan. Godrej Interior, as you all are aware of, that it's India's premium furniture brand, both in home as well as institutional segments. Godrej Interior is already present in more than 430 cities and with more than 52 company-owned outlets. Let me tell you, this 52 is a big number. Owning and managing 52 outlets side, it's really big. And it is also one of the largest division of Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company. So very warm welcome to Mr. Marolia. Thank you, sir, for attending this webinar.
Yeah.
Our next, okay. So our second esteemed panelist is Mr. Nitin Sudhame. I think he doesn't need much of introduction. He is the co-founder and the director of Spacefood Office Solutions Private Limited, which is part of Spacefood Group. Under his strong leadership, Spacefood Office Solution, which is also known as SOS in the industry, has witnessed an unprecedented growth since 2011. That means inception. And today it is India's leading player in Indian modular office furniture business, and is also the top 5 modular office furniture company in India. He's a mechanical engineer by background, a pass out of 1986, and has been associated with manufacturing and especially modular furniture industry manufacturing for last more than 25 years. He has been a part of CII TQM mission to Japan and also is now the convener of Vidarbha Zone MSME panel. So welcome to you, Mr. Sudhame.
Thanks, Prashant.
Thank you so much for giving your time. Now I would like to invite Mr. Marolia, who will like to share his keynote address and also the context for today's agenda. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, Prashant. Good afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon, Sudhame ji.
Good morning.
I trust that each of you and your families are fine and safe during the current pandemic. I think this pandemic is really changing the way that the world is. And things are not going to be the same again thereafter in many ways. If we look at it, what is happening as a result of this is that it is affecting everybody socially, economically, and these things are going to have an impact on the way in which we do business going forward. Priority सबकी जो है change हो रही है. With the extensions of lockdown that are happening, there are fears of income loss, job insecurity, and overall center stage is a need to reduce expenses. अब ऐसे वक्त में this has affected everybody's buying behavior. Now, furniture as a commodity, when we look at it, is not an essential, जो कहते हैं essential, non-essential. And the biggest challenge before us is how to position furniture such that it rises in the priority in the minds of the customer. So we have to understand, for example, that we are not competing with the customer's rupee as, let us say, Spacewood versus Godrej, but it is furniture against another appliance like maybe a dishwasher or maybe some other essential like a kitchen appliance that will make life easier in case there is another lockdown. Or lockdown, almost take for granted, honge hi. This is now going to be something that is likely to recur. So, ऐसी स्थिति में, if we are to be able to bring furniture up in the minds of the customer, it is going to come in terms of redefining the purpose of furniture in the customer's share of wallet. So what exactly is it that we are talking about? The definition of office furniture and home furniture itself is going to blur and mix. जो आज हम कहते हैं modular furniture going into offices, those demands are going to get redefined. I'm not saying go up or down, it will get redefined. Why? Social distancing, office space. Agar modular office mein, as we have both of us, Sudhame ji and myself have been in this, seeing it over the trends for the last 25 years. The amount of space dedicated per person has constantly come down as offices have sought कि हम इतने office में how many more people can we accommodate. Now everything will get redefined. There will be more work from home. More work from home means अगर office 3 shift चलती है तो उतने जन आज अभी work from home में 50% अगर work from home करेंगे तो work from home की demand कुछ और हो जाएगी. Work from home brings it with itself a different opportunity and a different portfolio of products that will be looked at. For example, work from home में घर की space के अंदर मैं एक रूम के अंदर दिन में ऑफिस चलाऊंगा, शाम को उसी टेबल पे शायद हम कुछ टीवी रखेंगे या बच्चे स्टडी करेंगे या वर्क फ्रॉम होम में वी मैन हैव मोर पीपल यूजिंग द सेम स्पेस. तो ऐसी स्थिति में द चैलेंज ऑफ डिफाइनिंग आवर फर्नीचर इज गोइंग टू चेंज. फर्नीचर विल हैव टू बी मोर एंड मोर फ्लेक्सिबल और इस चीजों में द हार्डवेयर फिटिंग्स ऑफ फर्नीचर आर बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर क्रिटिकल. Good quality, reliable and affordable hardware will help define what is good furniture in the future. See, please understand that furniture as it was seen earlier was somewhere it had a certain aesthetic value, certain status value. Now it is moving into a more functional space. The furniture we had prior to that will now move into the luxury space because people's economic priorities are getting redefined. So we have to look at that part of it. The other aspect when I talk about buying behavior is the channel. Channel जो है, people would go to shops, दुकान में जाके furniture देखेंगे, खरीदेंगे. Why just furniture? Anything. मानना ये है कि there will be more and more online purchase because of social distancing, because of the need to stay away from crowded spaces. नाउ अगर हम ऑनलाइन फर्नीचर में जाएंगे तो हमें ये भी देखना है कि फर्नीचर की डेफिनेशन क्या होगी. देयर विल बी मोर डू इट योरसेल्फ फर्नीचर, रेडी टू असेंबल फर्नीचर. Ready to assemble furniture में again here is where quality of hardware will play a major role, because good quality of hardware means ease of assembly. And if customer अपने आप अगर assembly कर पाएंगे तो उनके लिए furniture का जो cost of acquisition है कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर assembly और service हम निकाल देंगे तो product की cost of घर में लाने की जो cost of acquisition है वो कम होगी. तो मैं ये मानता हूं कि हमें ये जो नई पॉइंट्स है, नई स्थिति है, वी हैव टू टेक दैट इनटू अकाउंट. वी हैव टू रीडिफाइन आवर मॉडल, understand that there will be redefinition of customer expectations, redefinition of customer buying behavior, and we have to take these forward and provide solutions which are reliable, easily available, flexible, and affordable. If these are the points we take forward, this is what is going to help drive our businesses and ensure business continuity through the future times. So those are the opening remarks. I look forward to the questions after Sudhameji speaks, and then we can have an interesting discussion. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Murali. I think you already set the context, and as rightly said, this situation may not likely to be completely vanish very soon, while this lockdown is announced to be open from 3rd. But yes, the repercussions of that will continue. It may not be all open at a time, and in parts it can continue at various places, and it may recur also. So while I don't want to be very negative about it, I think it's always good to first see what exactly has happened and then see how positively we can look at it. So I also wish that all of you stay safe in this lockdown period. You and your families maintain social distancing, ensure that the lockdown is made successful so that we all as a country, we are able to open the business faster. Now, if we quickly see what's happening and how it is impact is, I mean, I don't think anybody really needs to be again told this very elaborately, but very clearly real estate, because we as a furniture industry is very closely connected to real estate industry. And in this real estate, if we bifurcate quickly into the residential market and a corporate or a office market, then residential markets, as you know, I mean, the things are going to definitely become slow. The construction projects are going to be delayed. Availability of raw materials, supply chain, getting back the migrant laborers, again starting the construction, ensuring that the projects which are halfway through, they are completed in time. That's going to be challenge. Employees or the prospective house buyers, middle class especially, are always going to be, I mean, it's going to be under stress, because there could be a uncertainty of earnings, as uncertainty of jobs continuing. So people will definitely like to protect the cash. I mean, probably the spending would be more on the essentials. And obviously this is going to result into occupation of the new houses a little late. In the residential market, as you all are in the furniture fitting industry, you know that primarily the consumption will come from two. One which will come from either new occupancy, new house occupancy, or it will come from the replacement on a renovation market. So those who are wanting to upgrade their houses, upgrade their kitchens or home or those things, or replace old furniture, obviously they're going to delay the decision, because the essentials are going to take priorities, and conserving cash is also going to be the priority. So in such case, residential market will definitely take a longer time to open. It's very difficult to say at this point of time, but yes, there are certain surveys which are claiming it to be at least a year and a plus kind of a time scenario for this to really revive. And the sectors which will gear up faster will obviously those which are essentials, which are connected to life-saving healthcare, and those sectors which will definitely emerge faster. Similarly, on the office space, we are already getting that kind of feel that, you know, those who are wanting to invest into new facilities are reconsidering the decisions for two reasons. One is business plan continuity. Second thing is revisit the layouts, because the new norms also might suggest change of layouts, looking at physical distancing and looking at the hygiene needs and other needs. So the projects which are about to take off may get halted because of these reasons. And those which are coming into completion are rather the industries which they're already established and wanting to expand. They may take a little break, thinking that, partly the requirement can also be met by work from home. And this is something Murali has already explained. And I think we all in last 1 month must have done a lot of Zoom meetings and connected each other on these digital media. And this medium, which was not so popular earlier, probably it was more popular on more IT companies doing video conferences and high-tech meetings, especially those had their counterparts sitting across the boundaries or other nations. They were doing it. But now this technology has come at a literally household level. And even forget about corporates, but even families are meeting on these kind of platforms. So such technologies are also going to emerge much faster, replacing the conventional need what we were always taking for granted, that ये तो बड़ों के लिए है, ये छोटों के लिए नहीं है. But अभी लगता है ये सब Zoom meetings and work from home is going to be part of the life every day. So overall, yes, the one part is telling us to be very cautious that things are not likely to revive very soon, because we are into mostly connected to real estate industry, which is highly capital intensive and has a large inertia. Anything which has a large inertia, it is going to take time to really gather the speed. But at the same time, I think I also look at the other point of view that yes, every crisis might also provide some opportunities, new opportunities. Probably we were never giving us time to think, or rather deeply go into our own business. Are we doing it right? Is my customer right? Is my business policy right? Are my offerings right? Am I sticking to my core principles, or I'm just trying to do everything that is possible? So it's also time to now introspect. And this is the right time for all of you distributors of FO, people who are entrepreneurs yourself. It's a time that you've got now to rethink on your business, revisit that. I think down the line will also come to more factors of it. But what I also feel is that like at a personal level, there's a time to introspect. How can I improve my health? How can I improve my immunity? Likewise, on a business front also, the same immunity is required to be built in businesses also. Same health needs to be also practiced in the business also. So it's a time to really look into my customers, my debtors, my expenses, my way of looking at business. Is it right for me? What are the new opportunities? I may find newer opportunities. And yes, immediately may not, but as the business starts opening up, very knowingly or unknowingly, a lot of other business opportunities will come in. So how do I remain open to that? How am I alert to grab those opportunities? This is what we'll have to be ready with. And yes, business is definitely going to shift from joineries to, I think, organized. I also feel that, down the line, as the market is going to grow, I mean, we are, as a country, if we take a very, very holistic view, we are somewhere in the 3 trillion GDP now. It's poised to be 5 very soon. But yes, obviously, we all know now, because of all this, it's going to take a little more delay. But in this, furniture is going to play a very, 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 very significant role. Though delayed, but I would not see that there is darkness. There is a lot of brightness at the end of it. And let's be prepared for that opportunity when it comes to grab it. And I think that sets the context. Then let's answer specific to your queries, and that will make it more interesting. Okay? That's
thank you
at this point of time.
Thank you, Sudhame ji. For the benefit of all, मैं आपको थोड़ा समझा दूं जो मरोले जी ने कहा. What he is trying to emphasize is that the word is changing. That we should all know that yes, word is changing, and even when the word is changing, then even priorities जो है हमारी वो बदल रही हैं. So having said that, he's talking about कि yes, अब need है हमको थोड़े अपने expenses को curtail down करने की. ठीक है, lockdown जो है थोड़ा हमको उसके साथ जीना पड़ेगा. We have to all live with it. That might take much more longer time. Most importantly, there's a new concept which is coming up is work from home. That means home and office are somewhere going to get intermingled, getting connected among each other. So what will happen is that people will be start looking forward. लोग ready to assemble furniture की तरफ ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाएंगे. And having said that, he has raised a बहुत अच्छा point उन्होंने जो he has raised up is that the customer will now be looking forward for the furniture fittings which are more reliable, which have better quality, which are more affordable, and better services which the company can provide. So most importantly, that yes, it will have impact on the furniture fitting industry as well. And by and large, for the traders and dealers, it is important that they buy or use the right products. And जो point सुदामे जी ने कहा, वो भी same point को emphasize कर रहे हैं कि yes, time will be a bit longer. It is very difficult to predict at this point of time the time, how much time it will take. But yes, social distancing will become a norm. जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, cost saving is going to be the key. हम लोगों को हर जगह अपनी cost को save करना पड़ेगा. Replacements will start coming in. I mean, and when we say that residential time जो लग रहा था, residential projects के अंदर वो ज़्यादा लगेगा as compared to earlier. So there will be a change in the layouts of the way we design our internal household projects. Work from home का concept जो है वो और बढ़ेगा. Importantly, जो बहुत अच्छे point जो निकल के आ रहे हैं कि first is that it is a time to introspect as an individual, introspect as a company, what we were doing good and what we were not really doing good, जो हम अच्छा कर रहे थे और क्या हम अच्छा नहीं कर रहे थे. So, and with this changing time, I think new opportunities will emerge, as he rightly said. And most importantly, that the industry will become more organized going forward. That means the dependency from less organized, it will be moving towards more of organized. Thank you. The questions now, let me ask you a few questions which have come.
For one point. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It is basically there will be major requirement of the home in the home improvement immediately for setting up a home office. हर एक आदमी घर में छोटा सा ऑफिस बनाएगा, वर्किंग डेस्क बनाएगा, क्योंकि अगर घर से काम करना है तो काम कैसे करेगा. सो ये एक नई रिक्वायरमेंट पैदा होगी इमीडिएट बेसिस पे. इसका आप लोग ख्याल रखें कि बेसिकली नई रिक्वायरमेंट पैदा होगी, नए डिजाइन पैदा होंगे. और जो मरोले जी ने कहा था कि बेसिकली जो उसी फर्नीचर के अल्टरनेटिव यूजेस बनेंगे कि दिन में वो ऑफिस की तरह काम कर रही है, शाम को डाइनिंग टेबल की तरह से काम कर रही है. सो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड मल्टी यूजेबिलिटी एक नया कंसेप्ट आएगा. थैंक यू. Sorry for interference, but this I thought that we would miss a point of a new requirement of home offices.
Ishanji, I think there's a
Thanks for your input.
Talk in
Okay.
Hindi. शायद will prefer to हिंदी में बात करना prefer करेंगे. मेरे ख्याल से कुछ messages आ रहे हैं जो हिंदी में बात किया जाए.
मैं इसीलिए हिंदी में बोल रहा था थोड़ा सा.
चलो अनिल, thank you.
नहीं, we'll keep more of Hindi now. मतलब सबके benefit के लिए larger audience समझ.
जरूर.
English, I think.
English, Hindi is the right word.
तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन मरोले जी से पूछूंगा कि how do you see the future of home improvement market in India going forward?
जैसे मैंने कहा कि होम इम्प्रूवमेंट डेफिनेटली होंगे. क्वेश्चन इज के होम इम्प्रूवमेंट की डेफिनेशन चेंज होंगी. जैसे मैंने बताया, द नीड फॉर दैट फ्लेक्सिबल फर्नीचर, जैसे यूज इट एज एन ऑफिस टेबल, यू हैव योर लैपटॉप ऑन इट, फिर शाम को यू यूज इट फॉर चिल्ड्रन मे बी सम डूइंग सम वर्क, हॉबीज, उसके बाद डाइनिंग टेबल, और या तो फिर दूसरी चीज है फोल्डिंग फर्नीचर भी आएगी. क्योंकि होम की डेफिनेशन जो है, देखिए इंडिया इज अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री, और होम की डेफिनेशन जो है फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस बदलती जाती है. छोटे घर होते हैं, बड़े घर होते हैं, तो हर एक के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है काफी लोकल कस्टमाइज होगी. एंड वी नीड टू बी एबल टू बिल्ड दोज काइंड ऑफ फर्नीचर्स टू गो मीट दोज रिक्वायरमेंट. तो हमारी नीड भी चेंज हो रही है, हमारी डेफिनेशंस भी चेंज हो रही है, एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की ज्यादा जरूरत बढ़ रही है. और इन सब चीजों के लिए it is going to be finally down to those detailing of the hardware fitments which will decide, is this a good quality product, does it move easily, folding mein is it very easy to fold. Those kind of things will play a major role in deciding ke product quality jo hai hardware se define hogi.
थैंक यू. सुदामे जी, आप कुछ इस पे ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, ये पॉइंट को थोड़ा आगे और ले जा सकता हूँ. I mean, apart from home use, ये जनरली सभी चीज थोड़ा कॉम्पैक्ट की तरफ जा सकता है, बिकॉज एक तो सभी घर जो है, I mean, मनी इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी स्केर्स. तो आपको अगर आपका घर जितना कॉम्पैक्ट करना है, माइक्रो अपार्टमेंट्स बोलो या अगर मल्टी यूटिलिटी अगर फर्नीचर लगाना है, तो आई मीन होम ऑफिस तो एक डिस्टिंक्टली नीड आ ही रही है, बट इसके अलावा भी जो नीड आ सकती है वो मल्टी यूटिलिटी, इवन आपका फर्नीचर भी जो हो स्पेस सेविंग या अदर पर्पस के लिए, इन जनरल एक थोड़ा सा रादर देन गोइंग वेरी फिक्स्ड कारपेंट्री अप्रोच, एक शायद इट विल गो मोर टुवर्ड्स मोर रेडीमेड मल्टी यूटिलिटी फीचर्स काइंड ऑफ थिंग, कि जो प्रोडक्ट में ज्यादा फीचर्स हो, ज्यादा फोल्डेबिलिटी हो, ज्यादा रीयूजेबिलिटी हो, ये सब का जो नीड जो है ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. बिकॉज इस टाइप का फर्नीचर जो है, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली द सच फर्नीचर विल ऑलवेज बी मेड फ्रॉम गुड फिटिंग्स. कोई भी चीज को अगर ज्यादा रिलायबल करना है, मल्टी यूटिलिटी करना है, फोल्डेबल करना है, या दिन में एक रात को दूसरा यूज, यूजिंग इट फॉर मल्टीपर्पज, दिस विल ऑल रिक्वायर डिफरेंट फीचर्स इन द हार्डवेयर. गुड, दे हैव टू बी रिलायबल. एंड ये जो नीड आ रही है, ये सिर्फ वर्क फ्रॉम होम के अलावा इट विल आल्सो शिफ्ट टू योर बेडरूम्स, इट विल आल्सो शिफ्ट टू योर किचन्स. यू वांट टू accommodate more facilities in less area, make it more and more utility, and there are so many good innovative fittings already available, like you guys are also selling, there are a lot of other available, but ये innovation definitely spur करेगा, और इसमें जो reliable and quality जो supply करेगा, definitely those will be bought more. It will shift more to organized player, because those will be able to design such solutions better and offer to the customers better. So from distribution of hardware point of view, ये point definitely हमको ख्याल में रखना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. वी आर ओनली करंटली, यू नो, वी थिंक मोर ऑफ वर्क फ्रॉम होम एज टेबल एंड चेयर. जैसे सुदामे जी ने बताया, फोल्डिंग बेड्स, मोर ऑफ सोफा कम बेड, एडिशनल स्टोरेज स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि स्टोरेज की नीड भी चेंज हो जाएगी इसके साथ साथ. एब्सोल्युटली होम डेफिनेशन चेंज हो जाएगा.
So to point निकल के आ रहा है बेसिकली कि we are talking about more flexibility will come in the furniture space. That means people will be using multiple applications for a particular fitting, for that matter, as bed cum sofa fittings or any other fitting which can be, you know, moved on from one application to another. Or most importantly, it has the utility value has to be very high so that it has a longer life of that particular product.
Because
okay,
any folding furniture.
Next question is to Amit ji. Sorry.
Yeah, please carry on.
Okay. So next question is to Sudhame ji. What is the importance of value positioning and assured quality in today's parlance post lockdown? आज हम जब लॉकडाउन की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्वालिटी का क्या महत्व है, और वैल्यू पोजीशनिंग जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट एट द राइट प्राइस, उसका क्या महत्व है?
तो वैसे तो क्वालिटी का और वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन एज ऑलवेज इम्पोर्टेंट. इसका लॉकडाउन से या वैसे संबंध नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन इज ऑलवेज वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन, बट इट विल अज्यूम मोर इम्पोर्टेंस. इसकी अहमियत और बढ़ेगी आगे चल के दिनों में. बिकॉज हम जब सप्लाई को देखते हैं, हम दो इसमें ब्रेक करना चाहिए. एक सप्लाई चेन की रिलायबिलिटी, और एक जो है यूसेज की रिलायबिलिटी. कोई भी पार्ट हम क्या, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट या हार्डवेयर या एनीथिंग व्हेन यू सेल, हम दो चीजों को देखते हैं. इज द प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल इन अ रिलायबल मैनर? सो वन इज द सप्लाई चेन रिलायबिलिटी, whether it is coming from a good source at good price, good quality, value proposition. Is it available on demand? Is always, there are no shortage of supplies, there are no hiccups in supplies. This is what I will talk about, is supply chain reliability. And the second part is the functional reliability. Once I use that product, either as a part of hardware or as a finished product, then it should be reliable over a period. It should not break down, it should not give me problems. Now, this is what is, I call it value proposition, one during supply chain and one during usage. And obviously, in such case, people would go for something which is more reliable over a long period. Probably, yahan par when we say value proposition, we always don't go for something which is cheap. That does not mean we unnecessarily go for expensive, but value proposition mein hum exactly wahi baat kar rahe hain. At a marginal more price, if I am getting far better value proposition, it's coming from a brand which is giving me a reliability. Because mere sath sath mere samne aur bhi koi mere upar dependent hai. So if I am looking at a supply chain being reliable, somebody else is also looking from me. तो जो मैं अगले से एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ, वही मेरा कस्टमर भी मेरे से एक्सपेक्ट करता है. तो ये सब में हमको ये दोनों मेंटेन करना है. दिस इज व्हाट मेरे हिसाब से वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन ये है कि हम सप्लाई की भी रिलायबिलिटी मेंटेन करें, क्वालिटी मेंटेन करें, और उसकी जो यूसेज है उसकी और ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. कहीं खरीदने वाले को ये ना लगे मैंने क्या परचेस किया है. आई शुड ऑलवेज बी एश्योर्ड कि अगर मुझे कभी भी तकलीफ हो, रिप्लेसमेंट मिले, बैकअप मिले, सर्विस मिले. एंड दिस इज व्हाट विल ऑलवेज कम फ्रॉम अ गुड ब्रांड. दिस इज व्हाट माय आइडिया ऑफ वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन.
मरुले जी, आपका इसका स्पेसिफिक व्यू?
आई थिंक जो सुदामे जी हैज कवर्ड इट. मेरा एक सिर्फ पॉइंट जो फर्दर एम्फसाइज करना है, जो उन्होंने एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट की है कि वैल्यू फॉर मनी और नीड डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्वालिटी, ये हर एक चीज जो है पहले भी थी. इट इज नॉट दैट इट वाज नॉट देयर. पीपल्स एक्सपेक्ट. पॉइंट इज नाउ जब there is going to be a pressure on a person's disposable income, on a person's economic availability to spend and ability, so his need for reliability will go up multifold. Added to that ये चीज है, अगर सोचो हम अभी 1.5 महीने से घर बैठे हैं, अगर किसी भी चीज का ब्रेकडाउन हुआ तो इट बिकम्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि सर्विस इस वक्त मिलेगी नहीं. At such a point of time we have to have that level of reliability कि हमें सर्विस की जरूरत कम पड़े, and that the service is more in terms of just giving guidance. So the entire definition is going to change. The definitions of quality and reliability will go up substantially.
So what we can understand, जो आप बोल रहे हैं, basically put together, if I have to put it together, so supply chain के अंदर reliability is also very very critical. That means from trade viewpoints अगर हम देखें तो हम लोगों को उन companies के साथ जुड़ा रहना चाहिए जिनके पास perfect supply chain lines हैं available, product will be available so that there is never any shortages for that matter. And secondly, in terms of usages, I think बहुत अच्छा point बोला कि it has to be having the right usages. आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं.
And value for money is not cheap. Remember that also. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सस्ता चाहिए. वैल्यू फॉर मनी इज के मुझे ये सब चाहिए और इसके लिए मैं स्पेंड करने को तैयार हूं.
I think very well summarized. Value for money is not cheap. हम लोगों के दिमाग में जनरली ये निकल के आता है कि वैल्यू फॉर मनी मतलब सबसे सस्ता.
हाँ.
So but it is not like that. What he is saying is it has to be a right product at the right price as well. So needless to say, along with the right quality. Okay, so next question which is coming is कि आज के सिनेरियो में कस्टमर्स के जो बिहेवियर हैं वो किस प्रकार बदल रहे हैं या बदलेंगे, और डिमांड का क्या शिफ्ट होगा फ्रॉम अनब्रांडेड टू मोर ऑफ ब्रांडेड कंपनीज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड.
See, if I might respond immediately, see, customer branded is, let's say, first choice, good brand, ye hai, wo hai. Now, when the customer has to look at redefining his needs under the current circumstances, he will say, ye hardware kaun si brand ki thi? What is the reliability of that? Jaise building ki construction ho rahi hai, so what is the brand of sanitary ware? He will not go into brand of, let's say, the certain construction material, but he will want to know brand of sanitary ware, brand of certain fittings that go into it. So that is where I'm comparing it. There will be a focus on what is the brand that has gone into what has been purchased, and that will become a big opportunity in the time going ahead.
सुदामित जी कुछ ऐड करेंगे आप इस पे?
देखो, एक ब्रांड के हम पीछे जाते हैं तो हमको एक बहुत बड़ी एश्योरेंस होती है कि भाई कुछ कम ज्यादा हो गया तो संभाल लेंगे. आई मीन एकदम सिंपल लॉजिक टर्म्स में मुझे कोई ना कोई है जो मेरी केयर करेगा. मेरा पैसा दिया है तो ऐसे ही वेस्ट तो नहीं जाएगा. एंड हियर आई मीन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम माय कंपनी टू योर कंपनी एंड ऑल गुड कंपनीज, आई थिंक वी ऑलवेज शुड फॉलो दैट. एक इंडियन माइंडसेट में बहुत बार ये होता है कि भाई कंप्लेंट आई उसको थोड़ा कम सीरियसली लो या ये, और मैं यहाँ चाहूंगा कि कस्टमर कंप्लेंट को ज्यादा सीरियसली लो. बिकॉज रियली स्पीकिंग आप अगर कस्टमर कंप्लेंट्स टोटल गिनेंगे और सही मायने में अगर कंप्लेंट देखेंगे तो बहुत कम रहती है, और उसकी रिप्लेसमेंट वैल्यू जो है आपके टर्नओवर या आपके कॉस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस से इट्स वेरी फ्रैक्शन, इज नॉट इवन probably some percentage. So make a bold statement in terms of giving that service. If required, repair, if required, replacement. Because if you are really believing in your product, then I don't think one should be really shy of. say boldly that बस ये ले जाओ, कोई तकलीफ है तो come back. And this is what bold statement and जो ताकत जो होती है ना bold statement करने के पीछे कि भाई I am also backed by somebody. And I've seen that you make such bold statement and plays a big role. But actually होना जाना ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. In furniture, I've seen mortality is not that high. I mean, furniture को कुछ नहीं होता है unless it is really made in a bad way or installed in a wrong way. But if you take care of these things, कुछ नहीं होता है. So you should go overboard and say, boss, कुछ problem है, I'll come back to you. And don't hesitate even giving to the level of giving replacement. That's fine. Because that is something which is going to instill that confidence in the buyer. And यही brand से expected है कि वो एक step आगे जाके जो है they assure long term service and long term reliability. This is what I feel when it comes to brands.
So here I would like to just interrupt for a minute. Mercedes is also a brand and Toyota is also a brand. Mercedes indicates luxury. Toyota assures the reliable quality at a good price. So Hippo is Toyota, not Mercedes, number one. Number two, basically that जो स्वामी जी ने बोला, Hippo will the guarantee, replacement guarantee within a defined time frame. Fit and forget. तो ये basically आप लेके चलिए कि जो Hippo है, वो Toyota है, not Mercedes. This is the difference. समझा पा रहा हूँ मैं अपनी बात नहीं समझा पा रहा हूँ सर?
Yes. No, absolutely. So we should know when we talk about brand, then what is it offers. So as Goel साहब ने बोला कि when you compare Hettich, it is leading to the quality or standards of what Mercedes is offering in that particular segment in cars. And similarly for Hippo, for example, he's saying that we can connect it with, if we are just talking about automobile industry and referring to a car brand, we talk about a brand like Toyota. So both are different in terms of the offerings, but what stands for what, that is more important. So आपको पता होना चाहिए if you are dealing with Hippo as a brand, what value you are going to get. Okay, so next question is this is very interesting question. Trade partners, ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन लोगों ने पूछा कि how we should handle such a crisis. मतलब हम लोगों को क्या measures लेने चाहिए to get out of this problem, which is going to take some time. Marulia ji can answer.
I think first and foremost, you require patience is one thing, but I think you need to reach out and communicate with your customers. Customer के साथ एक communication रिश्ता रखना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि at all points of time you are top of the mind to the customer. Customer को ये भी बताना है कि you are backed by a brand that understands, a brand that is agile and flexible. So you will get constantly evolving better and better products coming in. And a brand that understands the changing need of the customer also, so that the brand is able to think of the latent needs of the customer and come out with it. By maintaining a constant communication with your customers, not today, but when the customer after some time is ready, he will come back to you, and that is what we require.
Sudhameji, you want to add something on this?
Yeah, see, if I'm correct, all distributors you are business people, you are entrepreneurs. So first and foremost is जो मैं अपने आप के लिए करता हूँ, मैं आपको भी करने के लिए बोलूंगा कि ये भी थोड़ा टाइम मिला है तो रिविजिट योर बिजनेस. आप अपने कस्टमर स्टडी कीजिए, प्रोडक्ट स्टडी कीजिए, आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कहाँ हुई है, आपके डेटर्स कहाँ है, आपका पैसा कहाँ ब्लॉक हुआ है, स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, वीकनेसेस क्या है. द टाइम टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट ऑल दिस कि मैंने कहाँ अच्छा किया, मैंने कहाँ अच्छा नहीं किया. बहुत बार इन रूटीन बिजनेस ये सब करने का वक्त नहीं मिलता है. एंड देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू फोकस ऑन योर कोर बिजनेस एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. वो मेनी टाइम्स इन द रनिंग people try to do a lot of things, but I think in the next COVID scenario probably we'll have to concentrate on two things which we really do well. But जो मुझे चीज अच्छी आती है, जो मैंने अच्छी करनी चाहिए, वही मैंने करनी चाहिए, because there I have less chance of failing. Something which I don't understand proper, I should try and involve my money less there. Then पता करिए आपके कौन सही में long time supporters है. I mean, you have your retailers further, you have your direct customers, there are many people whom you are dealing with. find out who are the really good people, what are their businesses, how are they doing. So you can also make list of your own people, that who are the people whom I must support in future now, because you know ये business को उठने में भी time लगेगा, but ऐसे इसमें आपको भी पता है आपको किसको ज़्यादा support करना चाहिए. Who are the ones who are really going by good business, जिनकी credit worthiness आज थोड़ी कम है, but the ethics are good. I think you can extend the credit more there. You can be slightly more cooperative with them. You can give them more smaller lots, जो हम otherwise हम शायद करते नहीं है if there are quantity restrictions. Well, is the time to be slightly more flexible. You can be giving little more solution in a way that it suits their capital need. Your own money is important. Money was always important. It is today, and it is going to be important in future. So how to preserve that? That is going to be equally important. How do I not unnecessarily do experimentation and lose money? वो भी अपने को देखना है. And most important thing is, I mean, in the crisis time, जो prove हो जाता है what is good for long term and what is not good for long term. तो आपकी भी long term vision क्या है वो देखना चाहिए. आपको भी पता करना चाहिए मेरे लिए long term में अच्छा क्या है, मेरे long term customers कौन अच्छे हैं, मेरे long term partners कौन अच्छे हैं, who are going by the principle that I believe in. And I think this is the time to study all those and then take that view कि मुझे अभी ये जो वक्त मिला है इसके बाद मैंने आगे मेरी business policy कैसे करनी चाहिए. And obviously that also goes on कि whom should I buy from. You know, there's also a time when there are a lot of other brands are also looking at distributors, business people who are doing good. So there will be also opportunities. There are some people scouting for good people. So if you have a good reputation in the market, you will be also chased by many. So you also may have a choice. Like you will choose somebody, somebody will also choose you. So be alert. Whenever you are doing good business practices, I think it will always help you long term. So this is what I would suggest my distributor friends here.
Okay, so the points निकल के आ रहे हैं. This is very important because this was asked by a lot of distributors कि हम ऐसे time पे अपने आप को कैसे situation को handle करें और what measures we should take. So suppliers, revisit your customers and suppliers बहुत important है. हम देखिए हमारे साथ कौन हमारे साथ जो हमारे retailers जुड़े हुए हैं वो कैसे हैं और जो जिन कंपनियों के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं वो कैसी हैं in terms of their practices, policies, etc. Focus on core business. जो हमारा core business है हम उसी पे दिमाग लगा के रखें. जो लॉन्ग टर्म हमारे साथ कस्टमर्स हैं, प्रोडक्ट है, उनके प्रति वी शुड बी मोर लॉयल एंड वी शुड आई थिंक वेरी वेल सेड कि गुड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एंड नॉट गुड फॉर नॉट लॉन्ग टर्म. दैट मींस कि हमारे लिए जो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए बेहतर है और जो हमें लगता है कि लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए बेहतर नहीं है, तो जो बेहतर है हम उसको कंटिन्यू करें, उसको आगे बढ़ाएं और जो नहीं लग रहा कि हमारे लिए लॉन्ग टर्म नहीं है उससे अपने आप को धीरे धीरे करके विड्रॉ करें, एग्जिट करें. एंड ऑल्सो द लास्ट पॉइंट विच इज कमिंग अप कि हम अपनी बिजनेस पॉलिसीज को डिफाइन करें कि हमने मार्केट में क्रेडिट कितना देना है, मेरे साथ रिटेलर्स कितने जुड़े हुए होंगे, यू नो किस कंपनियों के साथ हम काम करें. तो आई थिंक दैट इज द पॉइंट व्हिच इज कमिंग अप. ओके, दिस इज वेरी जेनरिक बट इंपॉर्टेंट. आप लोगों का क्या मानना है कि हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक दैट द बिजनेस विल कम बैक ऑन ट्रैक पोस्ट कोविड-19? कितने टाइम फ्रेम में हमें लगता है कि बिजनेस में नॉर्मलसी आ जाएगी अगर हम सो कॉल्ड. सो सुदामेश आप कुछ बताएंगे इसमें?
ये डायरेक्टली आंसर करना तो मुश्किल है, मगर एक सिंपल बिजनेस सेंस इतना ही बोलता है कि एसेंशियल बिजनेस विल गियर अप फास्टर एंड नॉन एसेंशियल बिजनेस विल टेक लिटिल मोर टाइम. व्हेन आई से लिटिल मोर, इट कुड बी 6 months, 1 year, but definitely one thing is there that I mean, I always feel that, you know, India is, whenever there has been crisis, India has always emerged out of the crisis much faster. And the population here is very young, and average population, or it said that 80% population is below 60 age. And because of this young population, probably the way to fight the disease is faster. That's the reason we are also seeing relative casualties in our country are less. We are probably, by nature and habit, we are more immune. हम वैसे हट्टे कट्टे लोग हैं, तो शायद हमें immunity ज़्यादा है, and which is partly evident from what is happening. The figures is you see statistics in the world and statistics in India. Probably it is a direct correlation of that. And because of that, and most important thing is, I mean, touch wood, if everything goes all right, the investment which are likely to come from other countries to us, because somewhere people also are now feeling the importance of India. India as a manufacturing hub, India has its potential. The even ethics of the country even when I talk about business ethics, even ethics of the country also matter a lot. So people feel that India is more reliable, people are more approachable, transparent. ये सब चीज मुझे लगता है रिलेटिवली हमको गियर अप फास्ट करने में मदद करेगी. बाकी जगह कितना टाइम लगेगा मुझे पता नहीं, बट इंडिया मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि विल कम आउट ऑफ दिस क्राइसिस मच फास्टर देन अदर्स, बिकॉज़ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल वेटिंग फॉर अस. आई मीन वी आर आवरसेल्फ जुगाड़ू, वी आर आवरसेल्फ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. हम लोग सब एक अलग मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं. शायद शोबाजी कम है इंडिया में, मगर जब वक्त आता है तो करके दिखाते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है वी हैव डेफिनेटली बेटर चांसेस टू रिकवर फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन पर्सनली आई फील. ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग द सेम वे. Then let's go to business faster, let's do it faster. But yes, at the same time, अगर कहीं हमको और opportunities है अगल बगल में, तो वो भी देखना चाहिए, because yes, अपना market तो शायद थोड़ा सा लंबा खुलेगा, but इतना ज़्यादा market है कि अगर seriously खोजो तो और भी opportunities मिल सकती है. कहीं थोड़ा diversification, maybe somewhere related to healthcare या supplies of healthcare related ये सब. तो you know the business remains similar. You know the customers, you know who are the end, what is the end market. तो अगर कहीं अपॉर्चुनिटीज है खोजो, इस वक्त टाइम मिला है, डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. और अगर इसको हम सबको यूज करेंगे तो हम इसमें से क्राइसिस में से हम जल्दी बाहर आएंगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील.
थैंक यू. मरुलिया साहब, यू वांट टू ऐड फर्दर टू दिस?
मेरा मानना ये है दैट इफ वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग टू कम बैक टू नॉर्मलिटी एंड नॉर्मल वे ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, वो नहीं होगा. मैं जरूर मानता हूँ दैट टू कम टू नॉर्मल लेवल्स ऑफ बिजनेस, जैसे सुदामे जी ने बताया, we have all the positives of being a young, resilient and a healthy country. But I feel that the definition is that we are going to have a new normal that is we are going to redefine the word normal. जो demand जो है वो भी shift होगी. और जैसे अभी बताया, look at other alternative opportunities even within the furniture space. For example, very rightly, healthcare की भी होम में जरूरत पड़ेगी, for the simple reason that population may be young today, but you are going to have something that is also growing, and we have a large opportunity even in that space, which will give us a level to grow our business to a higher level. So be alert to opportunities. Understand that there will be a new normal, so keep working in terms of studying the situation to see where are the opportunities and how we can then come to normal levels of business. The idea is here how to ensure business continuity and growth. That is the normal we have to look for in terms of the normal level. Otherwise, we are going to have to deal with a new normal on many fronts.
So if I have to summarize, अगर मैं बात करूं तो normalcy की definition जो है वो बदल जाएगी. हमारा मानना है कि आफ्टर दिस एनी क्राइसिस लीड्स टू लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो डेफिनेटली हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज कहाँ लाई करती हैं, और उन अपॉर्चुनिटीज को हमको ग्रैब करना पड़ेगा, वेदर इट इज हेल्थ केयर और एनी अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी यू फील लाइक. और इम्पोर्टेंटली जो सुदामे साहब ने कहा कि इंडियंस एज अ कम्युनिटी और एज अ दिस थिंग दैट वी आर वेरी एग्रेसिव बाय नेचर. So we will come out much faster than the rest of the world, for that matter. And the definition of non-essentials is right now what is happening is that in furniture fitting is considered as a non-essential items, but going forward the definition per se might change and it becomes not shift to essential, but yes, there will be subtle change from non-essentials to in between essential or important, so called.
And Prashant, important. Probably we should look at the investment coming from other investors faster to India. It's a question of just getting back to a little normalcy. But the moment normalcy is restored, I think the investment will start coming much faster because people are waiting for that. And yes, it's up to Indian business how to capture that. But that will definitely create more job markets. That will create definitely more. So while the negativity is there, there is a lot of scope for positivity also. To that extent, I feel that our country stands the best vis-a-vis others, because we have that demography, we have that area, we have that potential, and people are looking for alternates to certain countries like China. So that is what makes us slightly more positive towards gearing up faster. That's what I feel.
Okay. Thank you, Sudame Sahab. To further add to this, we are almost coming to the closure of the phase 1 or session 1. So last thoughts, if you would like to share to our channel partners, Marulya ji, your last thoughts you feel that you want to further add upon, or piece of advice to them.
हर एक कठिनाई में there are opportunities, और we have to be willing to accept the fact that changes will happen, changes are happening. Do not try and fight change, but let us look for opportunity in change. And let us also see how we can provide to our customers quality, reliability, affordability, and a complete backup, so that our customers have that comfort when they invest in us, and they will want to continue to stay with us. And as their needs change, there will be more and more opportunity for business growth and business continuity. So I wish all the attendees all the very best and stay safe.
Thank you, Murali sir. Sudame ji, you want to say some closing remarks?
Yeah, I think मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि मुझे थोड़ी आप जैसे कंपनी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि यू ऑलरेडी स्टैंड टू बी अ गुड ब्रांड, बट आपकी भी ऑफरिंग थोड़ी और बढ़ जाए तो हम हमारे जैसे सभी के लिए कंज्यूमर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स सभी का फायदा हो जाएगा. आई थिंक यू शुड इंक्रीज द रेंज. You've definitely gone further, but furniture hardware is a very huge variety, and probably there is a lot of scope to add many products. And going by the speed, I think you should also gear up on that, and that will help people get more solutions at one place. You know, distributors also would look at more business coming from one place rather than they scouting for different products at different levels. आप लोग आपकी ऑफरिंग इंक्रीज करेंगे तो सभी के लिए फायदा होगा.
रामे जी, आपके लिए बता देता हूं मैं, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग वन आइटम एवरी सेकंड मंथ, न्यू आइटम. सो इन I'm say when I'm talking one item, that means range will be wider, one family of the product.
Yes, exactly.
So within about 1 year's time, we will have almost an exceptionally good range.
So if अगर वो already हो रहा है तो I mean it is the icing on the cake finally. So definitely we look forward to, you know, normally any consumer would like to restrict to one. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा इधर नहीं जाना चाहेगा. As long as your needs get met in a satisfied manner from one source is always preferred, because there is always a comfort level. So people who have established brands, if they expand their market or get product range, it will always help all of us. That's all I would say.
Yeah, thank you for your advice, Sudame साहब. और जैसा गोयल साहब ने आपको बताया that yes, we are in the expansion spree and we wanted to add new products and give more and more solutions to our customers. So आपका point well noted है, and we'll definitely shift the gears and get it as quickly as possible. And within 1 year, you can really say that yes, Heppo has a big range of products.
That will be
great. So let me really thank you from my core of my heart that Sudame Saab and Marulya ji, who gave us their precious time despite their busy schedules, and also most importantly in a very short notice. I think we just finalized in the last 3 days only, and they were kind enough to give their valuable time. I'm sure there has been a lot of insights, learnings, both in terms of furniture industry and also in terms of the opportunity in home improvement space. And I'm sure Trade Fraternity will really appreciate and must take a key notes of what you share. Thank you so much for being there.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Marulya Saab. Thank you, Sudame ji. Many thanks from the core of my heart.
Thank you, Ji.
And all the best to the distributors, the Heppo business, and all of you.
Yes,
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best to everybody, and
Thank you so much.
all the best.
Thank you so much.
They're always available at any other point of time if you need help. Right now we would exit, but I mean, if Prashant ji, agar
Sure.
any of the people want our contacts, you can please pass on them.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Surely, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.